Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Cadillac key fob. You need one of the 2450 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're about $2-3. There's a link below in the description. You're also going to need a small flat blade screwdriver about this size. So first thing you want to do is remove the mechanical key. Do that by pressing this button and pulling that out. Next, take the mechanical key, insert it in this slot right here, and just give it a firm push, and that'll eject the back half. Now you have access to your battery. Peel back this little cover. Take your screwdriver and gently place it here and just pry it out. Take your old battery out. Your new battery goes in this side first, and just make sure it clips under that. Replace the silicone cover, press that in. And then this goes in this side first. Give that a good squeeze. Replace your key and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.